Okay, ayo, this is Antoosh. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this type of button layout thing. Like you could see, you got the arrow keys. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, um, so basically you could just walk around by pushing it. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Ed?
Why are you naked though?
Uh, that's a good question. Yeah, we're gonna skip that. Okay, so basically, if you want to make this for yourself, pretty much you gotta get a 2D scene, right? Right, Ed? Okay. You're gonna call it
Yeah.
keyboard presses buttons. Call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it keyboard presses buttons. You want to save that? Boom. Okay. Ed. And as you can see, Ed, what type of game are we making right now? Touchscreen. That shit touchscreen. So you want to go to touch screen button, right? And also you want to attach a script, just delete whatever. Okay. So you want to go into okay, guys, and basically what you want all right, so what you want to do is you want to make a sprite for all of these directions, right? So let's call this up button, and then duplicate up down button. You want to put this stuff in there. We're gonna cut to that when it's done. Yep. Yeah. Alright, muchachos, and basically when you get that, you want to move them right, left, and if you're a complete noob and you don't know how to have this grid, basically you want to press this button, and this button will make it so you have a grid. So okay, we got down, then we got up. You want to lay it down exactly like that. Okay, and now you could test it if you want, but yeah, basically it does work. You can see, right?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, pretty much. So now you're like, Antoosh, how do you connect the keyboard presses on here to actual keyboard presses? Well, you gotta go to here on pressed, right? You gotta connect it with the script you already made up, and basically you want to do that for pressed and released on all the shit. So I'll be right back again, and hold. Alright, and now when you get to this part, your script is gonna be input dot action press, and then your direction. So usually it's UI whatever it comes up as, UI up, and for the release, input action release UI up. Alright, y'all see this pattern? Okay, so basically when you have that, it's gonna look like this. It's basically a completed thing. Okay, and now you have this nice little button thing, right? I don't want to save. Don't move that. Okay, and basically what you could do is you get your player, and I got mans with a menu on them. So in this menu is also the arrow keys. So you gotta adjust it depending on where your player is, so that it's like right below the camera. And if you don't know how to like make the screen like portrait, let me show you real quick. Let me show y'all, because I actually care about you guys. If you want to make a mobile game, like I'm all down for that. Okay, yeah, this is the settings I have, so you could copy it. But yeah, that's it, I guess. Now you could move your mans around. Mans be moving. If you got some trouble, let me know. I'll help you. And yeah, goodbye. Ayo, outro Antoosh here. Basically, I just want to say, if you got any questions, just let me know. I'll be in the comments. And also, if y'all are interested in seeing my actual project, which is like a Pokemon type of game on mobile, just comment that below too. Yeah, okay, bye.